Hi, my name's Dominic Beck-Johnson. I'm an SAP Business One expert at Quintech Business Management Solutions Limited. This is our tips and tricks video for SAP Business One version 10 Feature Pack 2102. In this session we're going to look at formatted searches and how they can help you speed up your business processes inside of SAP. So we're just going to have a look at a customer here and see what items they've previously bought from us. We can obviously use the drag and relate functionality, so we can drag the business partner code onto the sales order button and see what they've actually ordered from us previously. But I want to try and speed up this process and make it a little bit easier for you to use on a day-to-day basis. So what I want to do is I want to put a little formatted search on this particular item number field here. So I'm going to go into queries and I'm going to generate a query that looks at the top 10 items that this customer has previously bought from us. So I've already created that query and I'm just going to paste it into here, and you can see it says select top 10 and then the item, quantity, price, etc. But it's also got what's called a dynamic syntax, which is that $ there, which links it to the business partner code on the sales order screen. So when I actually save this one away underneath what we call a formatted search and give it a name that makes sense to us so we can find it in a minute. So we're going to say recent sales order items, save it away, and then we're going to come back to the sales order screen and we're going to go to the item number and we're going to put that little query so it's active against that particular user defined values on that field. So this is just pulling it back from that query that we saved away a minute ago. Recent sales items. I could make it auto refresh off of another field, but in this particular scenario it's not needed. So now we've got a little magnifying glass next to that item number, and all we've got to do is click on that and it brings up the last top 10 items that this customer bought from us. So you can see it saves a bit of time and gives you a little bit of extra information without you having to go and search for it. So I'm just going to add this order onto the system, just put the little plus X number of days, so plus 15 days, and update the rows with that. Add and view it. Just got a little item availability check on there, so I'm going to confirm that. Add and view it, and that's it. Formatted searches, making life a little bit easier for you and speeding up your processes. If you'd like to find out more tips and tricks, please go to our website and you'll see more information available on there. Thanks for watching.